Good morning, the tech farms. How are you doing today? As for me, I'm great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted pictures dating from 1 to 2 years ago. This app is very important. So for that, we are going to go on our Play Store application, then type the name Disk Digger. So the name is this digger. From it you can understand that it digs deeply into your phone in order to see your deleted pictures. As for me, I've already downloaded the application, so we are just going to go on open. Very simple. Immediately you open, you have this window. It's not complicated to install there, and there are no modules to activate in order for it to install. So you just tap on start basic photo scan and be patient as the application is going to scan into your memory, deeply into your memory, in order to see your pictures. Yeah, as you can see, I'm already at 500 and something pictures scanned. These are the pictures. So for this video, I'm to select some pictures to show you how to download them into your phones. I'm already at 1000 and something. So not to be long, as I've told you, I'm going to show you how to download it into your phone. I'll just go on recover. So on recover, I'm to choose the first option. Then I will send the pictures to my Gmail. So you have to send these pictures into your personal Gmail in order to download it. So my Gmail is the one written up, so I'm to type the same Gmail. Been sent. As you can see, the pictures are already at 2000 and something. For you need to wait for the scan to finish before proceeding as I've done. So I'll click this application and go and open my Gmail to show you how to proceed. This is the mail I've received. I'll just click on it and just tap on download in order to download pictures. These are the pictures that I process that are downloading. So to see whether our pictures are downloading, we are going to enter into our gallery. These are the pictures downloading, and this will mark the end of this video. If the video please you, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Click on the notification bell to have more videos as such. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.